Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi. I hope that you guys are having a fabulous day today. It is Monday, so happy Monday. Right now what you see me doing is just laying down a really quick nail bed on the new hand, which I have not named yet, but I'm going to do actually an Instagram poll, so make sure you get over and follow me on Instagram so you can participate in that. Also, if you're not already, be sure you hit that subscribe button because we are going to be doing a 100 subscriber giveaway soon. We're at 71, guys. Oh my goodness. Thank you all for hitting that button and becoming my favorites. I'm so grateful. Now you see me putting down the tip end of the nail, and what we're going to go ahead and do is that trend that's going on right now where you do like a cheetah or a leopard print at the tip of a French. And so we're laying down with all of this is Yayoge right here, the nail that we're building. It is the nail bed here is the light pink and the bed color is cover pink. And I'm just going in with a second layer just to make sure we have the thickness so that once I'm filing it, we have a nice smooth layer, or a nice smooth nail rather. And of course, I'm doing all of the filing off camera. Sorry about that, guys. But sometimes I do a little filing on camera, and there you go. That's the best I can do, at least for now. So the trend that we're doing now, I guess, was recently popularized by one of the Jenner girls. I think it was Kylie. I don't really keep track of the Kardashians at all, but I do keep track of the nail trends. So when I saw this going around, I just thought, oh, what a fun little nail. Let's go ahead and make it happen. I am doing this one before we build the other nails because honestly, that's all I was going to do. I wasn't going to do any other nails. I was just going to do this one, but I just thought it was so cute. And so I thought, you know, let's just keep going. And I decided actually to not do a full French all the way across. You'll see here in a minute. Now with the black, sorry, I should have said already, with the black I'm just coming around and making the little lines that go around. And some of them you want to you know, connect the ends on one side, and on some of them you just want to leave them open-ended like I'm doing here. So like it's almost like a horseshoe shape on some, and just lines on either side on the others. So I think that's really how they actually look. So not that I hang out with a lot of leopards or cheetahs. Now I didn't like that one, so I'm just showing you that it's super easy. If you don't like something, just wipe it off. That's the beauty of gel polish. Once it's cured, you can make mistakes on top of it. And then I'm just going in and creating the line that I wanted. Now I'm going to go ahead and just build this one nail just so that you can see the process that I am doing, because I'm not doing a full nail bed. I'm doing sort of a diagonal nail bed, and I just wanted to show you how I did that. So that's just sort of a little slip layer that we're putting down, and then we'll come in with a little more thickness on that cover pink. So I actually was hoping that today's video was going to be a nail mail video, but everything didn't come on Saturday like it was supposed to. Some things are coming tomorrow. And so I wanted to do everything in one video. I didn't want to split it all up. And so I'm just going to film that tomorrow and have it for you guys for Tuesday. Now I am grabbing a little tool, and you see how it's a little not correct. I'm just pulling some of that over to the side and straightening it up a little. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten that line a little bit with the file and wipe it off. Make sure there's no dust. And then we're gonna come back in with that same light pink color and build the tip. And I actually do the ring finger in the light pink color, and the pinky finger we do in the cover pink color. And I leave that one plain, but you will see that shortly. So anyway, I'm super excited about tomorrow's video. Oh my goodness, I really can't wait. I want to play with the stuff, right? More than anything. I've just been sitting here looking at things because I didn't really want to play with anything before I got to make the nail mail video, but when everything gets here tomorrow, I'm definitely going to tear those packages open. I'm so excited. Actually, the only packages that need to be opened are the ones that are coming tomorrow. Everything else is already actually opened and waiting to show you. So I'm just super excited about that. It's not a ton of stuff, but it's also, you know, it's always nice to add to the collection. Okay, guys, these are the nails filed and base coated, and I'm just going in and adding the little light middle colors. And then, of course, we will come back in with the black and add the little outside bits as well. And as you can see, my nails are looking pretty rough, and it is so time to do a new set. And that's what I'm going to do. When you see the nail mail tomorrow, I'll talk about it a little more, but I am ready for fresh nails, big time. And I'm just being super random with where I place my splotches. So we're going to cure that up. And then come back in with that black. And really, this kind of design is for fun. You know what? When you do this, you should have fun with it. Just let yourself play and enjoy yourself. Don't worry if it's perfect, because it's not about being perfect. It's about being random and a little bit, I don't know, crazy even, maybe. It's just fun. It's fun. Leopard print is, I just think, such a great way to express yourself. So if you are a leopard print girl, this may be, or guy, this may be the set for you. Now we are coming up to top coating time, but what I'm going to show you is actually base coat, because we are doing matte on these nails. And I'm sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame here, and this is all me. It's not the editing program, because I'm not zoomed in with that. This was just me not doing a good job. Sorry. So this is your only chance to really see them shiny, is with the base coat. And this is how they would look if they were shiny. And when we see them next, it's with a matte top coat, which is how I think they look the cutest. I absolutely love the matte top coat on these. I hope you like this set. Please let me know below if you do or you don't. Would you wear these? Are these up your alley? Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you tomorrow for some nail mail. Mwah! Bye, guys.